Bridge the gap between theoretical code and autonomous physical hardware. Master robotics with the robotics.aj1 course today. Engineered for precision, this program guides you through the complexities of the robot operating system using industry-aligned, rigorous practical implementation. Position yourself for success in a booming field where robotics software engineers average over $145,000 annually. Our curriculum offers unmatched technical depth, featuring 13 modular chapters, 66 learning objectives, 26 hands-on labs, and 120 knowledge checkpoints. Follow a clear roadmap from assembling your GoPi-Go 3 robot to mastering unit testing and advanced virtual environments in Gazebo. Move beyond simple syntax and learn to deploy fully autonomous systems capable of navigating the most complex real-world environments. The future of automation is written in ROS. Gain the skills to master the language of machines. Secure lifetime access to these professional-grade training modules for an investment of $239.99. Take the final step toward becoming an industry expert. Enroll now and launch your career in robotics. If you have any questions or need further details, please reach out to our dedicated support team at support@ucertify.com.